Hey amazing people and lovely people. First, I just want to give you guys my heartmost thanks for stepping by, and for those who watched my last video, that was really amazing, guys. And to all those people who actually reached out to me and asked more questions, you guys are so welcome. That's why this channel is here, for a platform where you can ask if you have questions, and if you have confusions, you can just come to this channel and have your question answered. This channel is specifically for newbies, those people who are new and they want to start pursuing photography or videography. My name is Christopher Mubengwa. I'm from Zambia. As I always say, Southern Africa, the heart of Africa. If you don't know it, got your map. Make use of your map. You have to come to our country. It's amazing. Okay, so just to say thank you for the guys that subscribed. As usual, if you are new here, you can subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like, a comment, negative or positive, I don't care. It's going to help me grow anyway. So with that out of our way, let's roll the intro. So since we've done the intro, that was amazing. Yes, you can do it. So today I have something amazing for you guys. I have something beautiful, something out of the ordinary. Could it be extraordinary? It's for you to say. So I have been a videographer and a photographer for a couple of years now, and one thing that I understood in my struggles was to find that perfect software to use for my work. And not to mention that some of the goodies, the good softwares, they're pretty expensive. For example, I always wanted to use Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, Photoshop, Lightroom, and to be honest, we all know that the Adobe Cloud is really expensive. But I have some good news for you, because there's hope for you creative, amazing beings. And today, guys, roll the drums. I want to share with you my two best editing softwares I have been using so far. And the most insane thing about all these two softwares is that they are totally free. Yes, free. Free. These two softwares are free. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys my two free editing softwares that I've been using for years now, and where you can find them and how you can store them. So what you're going to do is you're going to launch your browser, whatever you're using, depending on where you are, and just on your browser go and search for fxhome/express, and when you do that, it's going to direct you to the Hitfilm page or website. You're going to see the download Hitfilm Express button, and you're going to click that button, and it's going to ask you pay what you want. But in this case, this software is free, so you just slide the emoji way to your left saying you don't want to pay anything, and it's going to indicate a 0. The moment you're done with that, it's going to say download, and you're going to hit the download button, and you're going to be taken to a page where you have to register with your information. And the reason why they do this is because they send the link via your email, so you have to register. And when you're done with that, you hit the download button, and when your Hitfilm is done, okay, so at this stage now, you are done downloading your Hitfilm, and all you have to do is that you open it, install it, follow the instruction on the screen, and when you're done installing, you can open Hitfilm, and this is how the interface looks like. I know at first it looks so intimidating, but if you've used After Effects before, in my opinion, I think the interface of Hitfilm looks like After Effects. And it works like After Effects. The only difference that this software is free. And after that, you can now go and import your project, your video, whatever video you have. You can throw it in Hitfilm, and you're going to see the tab window is going to open. When it opens, you can import your videos in different formats, and Hitfilm is going to work nicely. Now, one thing I like about this software is that I think I'm using a HP Omen Intel Core i7. It's a 7th generation, but it has like NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050i. It really works so nice. Like, you can add as much layers as you can, and this software is just going to run smoothly. Compared to After Effects, I think I've been encountering problems with After Effects in the past, and I think that's what made me to go on a journey to find a software that's going to be free, but also that's going to be computer friendly. And I think I'll encourage you guys to try this software. You can do like insane effects, and when you go on the FX homepage, they even make tutorials on how you can use this software. And also they have like, there are many things that you can do with it. I did my lightsaber video on this one. You can check it on my Instagram. It was really good, and you can do like all these Star Wars kind of amazing things, of which I'm trying to do with this software. And so that's it, guys, for Hitfilm. So the second software is Davinci Resolve by Blackmagic. So all you have to do is go to your browser, search for Blackmagic Davinci, and it's going to open their page. You're going to follow the first link that appears on your search bar and follow that. It's going to take you to the Davinci Resolve page. Now, I like the colors of their website. It's so nice, inspiring, and you can see different screens of people editing, but also how the interface looks like even before you download it. And you can also see their studio version, of which Davinci has the free version and they have the studio version. And if you are planning on opening a multi-billion company, you can go for Davinci Resolve, the studio version. It comes with a lot of amazing stuff. But on this case, we are focusing on the free, cheap things that you can use as a videographer and be able to make amazing work. So when you open the Davinci Resolve Blackmagic page, you're going to see just on top, the first page, you're going to see download button. You hit the download button, you choose if you're using Windows, you're using Apple or Linux, you can choose whatever system you're using. Then it's also going to send you to a page where you have to register. And when you're done with the registration, it's going to give you the download button, register and download, and you can hit that. Then boom, you're going to download your amazing software. When you're done, you launch it, it's going to open a screen, and when you click on it, it's going to open Davinci Resolve. Now, the interface of Davinci is a little bit different, but also if you've used like some editing software before, you can see that it's similar to Final Cut. That's just my opinion. It's not up for debate, but that's my opinion. You can tell me what you think. But Davinci is like, in my opinion, is like, I think way better than Final Cut because the interface is user-friendly, the colors are vibrant. I mean, it's freaking Davinci. So when you open your Davinci, you can import your projects, throw it on the... Now here's where it gets interesting, okay? So, you know, for those who are like Adobe fans, where you have to download After Effects separate, Adobe Audition separate, and all this other stuff separate. So when you open Davinci, it has Fireflight. This is an audio and sound editing and designing panel inside Davinci, and it has what they call Fusion. Fusion is like the After Effects for Davinci, and all these are in one software. So you don't have to, like in Adobe where you move from one software to another. In Davinci, just open another panel, you can access Fusion, you do your effects, you click on the video, you go back to edit, you're still in the editing software, you jump to Fireflights, you do your sound, your music, and you're still in the software. You don't have to get out or to jump to another software. Everything is in one. So when you're done, you can export in different formats. You can directly do a YouTube format. You can go for IMF. You can jump to Final Cut Pro 7, Premiere Pro XML, all these other stuff. But also you can just export it normally, you know, like the normal stuff. When you download all these two softwares, you guys can like edit and do your stuff. There's no watermarks, there's nothing. It's free, it's yours. You can use it. You can also share the news with other people, and there are many tutorials out there that you can use to learn about these two softwares. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope this was helpful. And if you're new, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for the new subscribers. I now have 41 subscribers. That's amazing, right? The community is growing. If you guys install these softwares and you film something, edit with them, please, I want to see the videos. Thank you very much. My name is Chris. This is our channel, We Genesis. We create, we serve, We Genesis, and we out. Peace. Peace.